access to buy into a 7-star, the first and only 7-star development of Goa. And then obviously no safe and secure land development अगर आप unbranded के पास चले जाते हैं. So this is so for our internal purpose हमने एक exercise किया था that अगर आप branded, coastal and right pricing की बात करें, none of the projects available, and we're not saying these are our competitors. They can't be competition to us looking at what we have as a product for you. None of them are there. But when you talk about the Gulf of Goa, the land of luxuries, the last of the seas, ladies and gentlemen, coastal land, the right pricing, the branded development aspect comes together for this development, right? Abhi, guess लेते हैं. I want people to participate because it is something that I have been very excited for the last month or so. जब से मैं reveal करना चाहता था ये monopoly. So what should be the price be like? 8 crore. 1 crore. Okay. 2 crore. 150. Anybody from the start, sir? तुसी. Sorry. 1.5. 1.19. Okay. Can we have Vinayak and team? Are you ready? Console, are you ready? Let's blow the curtains. Let's show them the price. Launching La Vistas 1500 square feet, 3-bed villa monopoly plots हमारे पास ही हैं और कहीं से खरीद नहीं सकते हैं. At a pre-launch pricing of 1.09 crores. Are you happy? आवाज नहीं आ रही है? Excellent. Okay. And obviously this comes with Goa's Susekar, right? The relaxed word payment plan. So what do? You pay 10% and you confirm your plot as soon as possible. Okay? जैसे प्री मार्केट अपॉर्चुनिटी में कई कस्टमर्स बैठे रह गए, वो सोचते रह गए कि सब कुछ निकलेगा आएगा, तब मैं सोचूंगा 95% of the larger 2500 square feet plots, it's 95% sold out, right? So how does the relaxed payment plan work? Usually हम लोग पहले 6 महीने में 8 महीने में लैंड की पेमेंट करते हैं, right? But यहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं है. Every second or third month you give a small investment which opens up your very big bucket, which is your salaried class. जो कि हर 2 महीने 3 महीने में basically with their incoming flows they can actually buy this land without even a loan, right? And one very important thing is that we should know that the stamp duty payment and the registration will happen within say October to December 23. This is something that we should upfront mention, right? Sorry, one second. So ladies and gentlemen, obviously important है कि हम एक के बाद एक धमाका करते रहे. So we are bringing the red carpet premiere. अब लॉन्च किया है तो किसी न किसी को तो रेड कार्पेट देना पड़ेगा, right? So इस संडे तक the red carpet. Can we have the music, please? 100% waiver on the club charges for both the clubs for a lifetime, which is savings of upwards of 10.62 lakhs. But ध्यान रखिए सिर्फ संडे तक. जैसे हमने एक स्टैंप ड्यूटी वाला एक वेवर एक दिया था, वो एक बेनिफिट अब चले गया. ये एक 10.62 लाख का बेनिफिट है जो कि इस संडे तक है. द रेड कार्पेट प्रीमियर वीकेंड.